Alright. That's a dirty t-shirt. Oh, it's a rag. No, it's a t-shirt. Kids, that's kind of nice. Alright, protects from the sun, so your gear stick won't get hot. She's blowing up a balloon to get the hair out. I'm a bit skeptical about that one. Let me get some water. Not a sponsor. Alright. What's she gonna do with that? Velcro tape at the back of your boot. Everything's nice and neat. You go over a bump, that's all gonna fall out, I'm telling you. Some super glue and some rubber thread. Oh yeah, that's the standard way to patch up your tires. Nothing new about that. Alright, good stuff. Okay, you got your timing belt creaking. You just put some deodorant on that. We've tried that, but it does work. I don't know how good it is for your timing belt though. Alright. That's a dirty t-shirt. Oh, it's a rag. No, it's a t-shirt. What is happening? I'm not following this. Need to change normal. Oh, I didn't know that. Need to see if it's true. Using cooking mittens to... Why would you do that? I mean, you can just touch it and wash your hands. That's a nifty little gadget. We've tried that one on our channel. Boom! And that's how you break a glass. Okay, WD-40. Do not do that, because that might get into your braking pads, and that's the worst thing that can happen. Why would you put why would you put grease on your brakes or on your tire? That's awful. That actually works on the tail light, but then it goes away again. All right, tennis ball. I guess that's to mark your parking spot if it's in a tight spot. Look at that. That's nice. That's good. All right, you're cleaning. Does not wash off. Rubber blackening spray. I mean, you're just spraying it black. I mean, yeah. I mean, that's what it does. It's a black spray paint. Why not? Aroma oil. I guess that's a cheap man's. Okay. She's got a kitchen roll. And... alright, that's kind of cool if you're working on your engine. No more mess. That's nice. I like that. Look at that. Sick little Vespa. That's quite nice. It's a little custom job on the Vespa. Oh, you know what? Bit tacky, but it would do. Oof, the kids drew on your car again. Those annoying, pesky little kids. Alright, get some toothpaste. Give a bit of a rub. Bish, bash, bosh, and that gets it done. There we go. It worked. Gas torch on your plastic bits. Oh, I think he burned the paint a bit, but you know what? It does work. Massage gun on your carpet just makes little shapes. I mean, why can't you just vacuum it in the beginning? Oh, I guess it just comes up from the depths of the mat. I don't know about that one. Rust remover into a syringe with a little cotton... What? No way. Nah, I don't believe that one. I don't think that you should do that. That's melted sweets. All right, that's actually quite smart. Imagine, you know, I've had situations where my chocolate's melted in the car. What? There's a secret compartment in your glove box? No way. I don't think every car has that, but I'm gonna check on mine. Oof, dangerous. Using flame inside your car, but that's actually quite smart. Nice. No way, dish soap for your cooling liquid? Why would you want to take a cooling liquid out? All right, that looks like fake news. A tennis ball does not get rid of your stains. Using a car mat for not letting your car get stuck. All right, not bad. Some sandpaper to get some hairs from your car mat, okay. What's he doing here? He's, No way. Car hacks! Give us some car hacks. All right, you just colored your disc orange. Why are you putting shaving foam in your air conditioning unit? What? Not bad. You got dirt on your speaker, mate. What are you gonna do? Use a paintbrush to remove it. All right, standard. Oof, you broke your bumper. Now you're melting some stuff in there. What? You're making it uglier. Oh no, you're destroying your bumper, mate. Now you're sanding it as well. Ah, he's gonna paint it. All right. Oh, I'm pleasantly surprised on that one. Not bad. Okay, that's a special kind of knot, isn't it? It's an easy release knot. Nice. Nice. Okay, duct tape to put your phone on. That's to get rid of the squeaking. No creak. Not bad. All right, what's he doing with his jar? He's cutting a little thing. He's gonna make himself a new piggy bank. That's not a piggy. Oh, it is a piggy bank. It's a DIY piggy bank for your car. Silly. And that's how you put your handbrake up. The normal way. Or I guess you just push down the button. What was that? Home Lake Castle Mall. Home. Velcro stickers. Mall. What? No. Not bad. It does work though. And that's another way to use a mask. Okay. Potato! What's next? Alright. The water runs off better with a potato on it. We gotta try that one. Didn't know that. A makeup brush. So you're using a makeup brush to clean your little cup holders. And I guess it works. Good for you. Alright. Bubble. Why? Is it for like stress? Yeah, I guess it is for stress. Oh, it's a bit tacky though, isn't it? What happens when you pop them all? Probably pop them all within an hour. Alright, put a little bit of pipe insulation so your stuff doesn't fall down into the crevices of your seats. Not bad. Again, kind of tacky. What's she doing with the sock, alright? Cat litter in the sock? Why? Why? A banana cat litter sock. Absorbs moisture. Really? Would you really want to be driving with a sock on your dashboard? No. Alright. Ice in a water balloon, or just the balloon. Yeah, ice hardens gum and then it's easier to peel off. Good stuff. Nice. You just scratched your car, good sir. Why would you do that? Heat up. The wax goes into the crevice. What is she doing? That was so fake. Her leg's not that long. What is that? Is that a porta potty? No, it's not. It's just a little crate for shopping. That's a nifty little gadget. That's nice. I want one of those. Not bad. Car shampoo. All right, you got a pressure washer. Turns as well. Bish, bash, bosh, and that's how it's done. Yeah, okay. That's what it's for, isn't it? Ooh, nowhere to pee. Uh-oh, I'll just use this plastic bag and put some cat litter inside. What is that? Okay, she relieved herself, and now it's gooey blue. Absorbs liquid. All right, nice. I mean, you could just stop at a petrol station or something. Okay, she can't get into her car, but she's got a bit of duct tape with her. So what's she gonna do? She's gonna strap a whole bunch of duct tape and pull it. And what does it do? Does it really open your car window? Not sure that it does, but you guys are welcome to try. Wouldn't advise it though. That would hold? I don't think that would hold. There's too much pressure. Sanitary pad to clean your glass? Ooh, he's definitely stuck. Those were some sick BBS rims though. Props to you, gentlemen. Alright, some zip ties. A little zip tie ladder. No way. What? Okay, that was pretty sick. I'll give you that. Well, that's a gap. Oh, you know, they all have gaps. Oh, actually okay. Not bad. Alright, if the battery is low, you can hack your car and open it with a key. Okay, clean film on your tire. What's gonna happen now? Taping it? I'm not following. Well, that's it? You just put clean film on this tire? I guess you can use that in winter so that your tires don't get dirty. No, don't do that. No. Alright, I didn't know toothpaste would do that. Be a water repellent. Okay, cleaning your mat. Oh, he's not cleaning his mat, he's just... he's using that as new mats. Okay, it's a bit childish, but I guess it's kind of cool for some people. Look at that rim, that's a nice rim. Alright, using a plastic bag to color your rim. Not bad. I would have gone with a different color, that's for sure. But not bad at all. Look at that, bish bash bosh, and your rim's orange. Alright, oil dipstick. getting all over the place, and now you're using the dipstick to pour more oil in. That's actually kind of smart.